Code Camp was really fun. I learned a lot of new stuff, and it was a good experience. Yeah.
Now I feel like Python is like easier.
Like how we started off with the news and the important things about coding.
The code camp is very fun, and it's interesting studying coding because the technology is the future.
It's good. It's very funny using the robot, the VR, the look, the drones.
This code camp was beautiful and very funny because I learned how to program the robots and play games. And I learned so much things that normally I can't do. And I think this helped me much with the English because I wasn't very good at English. And yeah, I think this was beautiful, this camp.
I really liked Code Camp, and I liked that there were a lot of stuff and robots to play with. I learned how to code a robot, and it was good.
Superb. Fabio, what do you think?
I think this Code Camp is really beautiful because we learn a lot of things that maybe we need in one future, and I really love this camp. Yes.
Thank you so much, Fabio. Nikki, what did you think of the code camp? What did you do?
I enjoyed it, although it was quite difficult. I still managed and was able to do like a lot of stuff with my group.
You did really great. What are you doing right now?
I'm coding the like how tall are you? Tall enough to go on a ride.
And what age are you?
10.
Superb. Thank you so much. Annie, what did you think of code camp?
It was actually quite fun. It was an extremely fun experience because I got to do coding with everyone, and it was fun, especially to code the robot. Was my favorite part.
Perfect. What do you think, Maria?
The code camp was fun and a nice experience because many of these stuff I didn't know them, but now like I know a lot that I can take back to school, and so it will be easier for me if we ever do like Python and stuff like that. And also I really enjoyed coding the robots. It was really fun. Yeah.
We're delighted to have you.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Maria.
Yeah, it was awesome. My first code camp, and yay.